When a senior or your older parents are thinking of moving and downsizing, the biggest mistake most families make is that they either wait too long or do not have a plan in place to manage the stuff that has accumulated over the decades of living in their family home. I am Francie Stavish, and our solution to downsizing your home involves 3 important steps. First, a free 1-hour consultation so we can fully understand the scope of the project. Second, we create a customized plan that works for you on how every item in the house will be handled and the time it will take. Third, we are there with you every step of the way, so every detail will be handled with care. Starting too late can be expensive, and starting too early could bring added stress to the family. And who needs that? But we have the solution. We first need to meet and create an action plan. To get your free 1-hour consultation, please click the link below or call us directly at 847-498-6910 to learn more about how we can minimize the stress of downsizing.